Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. In this one we're looking to simplify algebraic fractions by division. So without further ado, let's pop in. So I presented two examples and this came straight from the C2 Maths book, which is also used for GCSE. So what do we have here? So the idea is that when you're dividing an algebraic term by a single term bomb, you're going to have to split this fraction into each individual term. So for example, we're going to have 7x power 4 divided by x minus 2x cubed divided by x plus 6x divided by x. So let's have a crack. So here we can rewrite this fraction as 7x to the power 4 over x, so dividing everything by x, minus 2x cubed over x plus 6x over x. And now it's just a case of eliminating terms. So what do we have here? So now we have 7x to the power 4 over x. So when we look at the x's for a second, and we say, hey, all of this x's, of course, say x is same as x to the power 1, guys, yeah? So this is just a keynote. Here we just literally subtract the powers. So x power 4, eliminate single x, we're left with x to the power 3. Minus 2, eliminate single x from x cubed, we have x squared. Plus eliminating the same x, we're left with no x, so we're just left with 6. And that's it, guys. That's literally how you simplify a fraction. So now let's try the second part. Let's try example 2. Okay, so all of this was example 1. So now we're dividing by negative 3x. So again, using the same procedure, let's have a go. So first things first, splitting this fraction up, we're going to have 3x to the power 5 divided by minus 3x minus 4x squared divided by minus 3x. So again, while we're doing this situation with negative signs, let's always keep the negative with the fraction, with the term itself, so you don't confuse yourself when you're trying to attempt to solve it. Now here, the way this works, you're going to have to divide the numbers with each other and divide the x terms with each other as well. If you had more terms like y and z, you divide the y, z together as well. So what do we get here? So first we look at 3 divided by minus 3, we're left with minus 1. X to the power 5 divided by x, subtracting the powers, you're left with x 4. Good, minus. Now let's do the same thing. We've got 4 divided by 3, 4 divided by minus 3. Well, in this case, it's a fraction. You can leave it as 4/3. So, and because it's minus times minus, you're left with plus 4/3. X squared, take away x squared divided by x will give us just x. And of course, you don't need to write minus 1. You can leave it as minus x power 4. But I would rewrite this. You start on the positive value. So you're left with 4 over 3x minus x to the power 4. And that's it, guys. This is how you literally solve algebraic fractions. Okay, now I'm going to present a more complicated problem. Okay, so let me just flip this around. Hold on. Actually, you know what? I'll show this on my next video. Okay, check out my second video on algebraic fraction. This time, because here we're dividing with single terms. Next, I'm going to show you how to divide with quadratic terms or linear terms, so more with a constant, basically. Alright guys, catch you soon and check out my next video. Ciao ciao.